Hello there, thanks for joining me at Arm & Muscle. Today I'm going to go through the Evolution 3 flow. So if you haven't already, take a look at the Evolution 2. Surprisingly enough, the 3 builds on the movements that we learned from the 2. However, we're going to go through the whole thing today. So to show you what it looks like, it goes like this. There we have the Evolution 3. It builds on the Evolution 2 and we're going to break it down now so that you'll be able to do the Evolution 3 by the end of this video. Once you can do it, it'd be great if you could record yourself, stick it on Instagram or Facebook, tag at Arm & Muscle, and let me know how you get on. We're going to start in the rack stance. So first thing is a 360 in the direction that we can point the top finger. So 360. Then we're going to go into a waterfall. So catch the mace with the bottom hand in a thumb down grip, allow the handle to rotate round, loosen the grip into that OK symbol, grab just underneath in an upward thumb grip, and we're going to swoop away into a figure 4. So let's just give that some practice. So 360 in the direction of the pointy finger, catch, thumb down, rotate, grab, thumb up, swoop, figure 4. Now here, the swoop is going to try and pull you off balance, so you've got to counteract that with your own body. Let's go again. 360, waterfall, swoop, figure 4. 360, waterfall, swoop, figure 4. Just after the figure 4 swoop, you then need to be able to do a behind the back switch. So it looks a little something like this. And keep both feet on the floor here, just so I'm more stable to show you. So once done the swoop, bring the mace behind you, allow the mace head to flick up. So use the momentum, then grab just above your hand in an upward thumb grip. So both hands are pointing towards the mace, or both thumbs are pointing towards the mace, sorry. Then we can release our lower hand and let the mace continue its momentum to travel round. So just give that a practice. Catch above. If you want, choke down a little bit, ready to reset, catch above. It doesn't matter if you catch below. What you'll probably find is that one hand tends to catch above, or one hand tends to catch below. But just get used to that movement. It's more difficult when we're doing it on one foot. So I'm going to show you now, just from the back, into that behind the back switch. So 360, into that waterfall, swoop, figure 4, try and do a behind the back flip, and then we'll step out, ready into our next movement. So I'll go again. Keeping that figure 4 stance until the last moment. So give that a practice. Make sure you can do about 10 reps of that comfortably, and then we'll move on to the next stage. So the next thing we're going to do is go from a low shield through an uppercut lunge into a inward thumb grip stance. So let's go from the start. 360, waterfall, figure 4 swoop, behind the back switch. Then what we're going to do is stand, choke up the mace a little bit, so allow the mace weight to just slip through your hand, and end up in a low shield. So you'll know if you're doing it the right way because you'll have your opposite knee to hand facing forward in an upward thumb grip. Then from here, switch the top hand into a downward thumb grip, pull the mace behind to then rotate into the uppercut. Let's show you that again. 360, waterfall, Figure 4 swoop, behind the back switch, down into that low shield, switch the grip, pull the mace behind, then into an uppercut. From here, you'll continue with the uppercut momentum, stand up, and then go into a reverse low shield on the other side. Let's go again. It's all about repetition. 360, waterfall, swoop, behind the back, low shield, switch, uppercut to standing, low shield again, and then we're going to do a sword swing, so push the tail away, sword swing to stand up, grab again, slide the top hand down, you're in the rack stance, ready to go again on the other side. So let's go through this. 360, waterfall, figure 4 swoop, behind the back, low shield, switch grip, uppercut stand, low shield, reverse low shield on the other side, push away, sword swing. We've now swapped hands. We can go again on the other side. Switch grip, stand up, low shield, sword swing, back to center. And there we have the Evolution 3. If you want to see more flows like this, check out the on-demand service. Let me know how you get on. Tag Arboured Muscle on Instagram or Facebook. It'd be great to see how you're doing with this flow. I'll see you again soon.